Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will discuss why hackers want to change MAC address. First, you need to understand what is MAC address. In simple terms, a MAC media access control address is like a unique ID for a device on a network, such as a computer or smartphones. It's kind of like a fingerprint for your device when it's connected to the internet or a network. This address helps other devices recognize and communicate with yours and ensuring that data gets to the right place. Why hackers want to change it? Hackers might want to change their MAC address for various reasons. Number 1. Anonymity. Changing the MAC address can help hackers stay anonymous on a network. By using a different MAC address, they can avoid being easily traced back to their actual device. Number 2. Avoiding detection. If a hacker is conducting any malicious activities, changing the MAC address can help them avoid detecting by security tools or network administrators. Number 3. Multiple identities. Changing MAC addresses allows hackers to create multiple virtual identities on a network, enabling them to conduct reconnaissance, gathering information, or launch attacks from different perspectives, making it harder to trace their actions back to a single device. Number 4. MAC filtering bypass. Some networks implement MAC address filtering, allowing them only approved devices to connect. By changing their MAC address to match an approved devices, hackers can bypass this filtering and gain unauthorized access to the network. So these are the reasons. There are many more reasons for that hackers might change their MAC address. Now it's time to show you how to change it. We can use a tool in Kali Linux. The tool name is MAC Changer. It's already installed in your Kali Linux by default. If this tool is not installed in your machine, run the command below sudo apt-get install MAC Changer. This command will install the MAC Changer tool in your machine. After installing MAC Changer, let's open the manual of MAC Changer. What command can we run? MAC Changer -help. This command will open MAC Changer manual and you can see there are various commands. We will try each command one by one. Let me show my interface cards that what my MAC addresses are. fconfig. This command will show all the interfaces and their MAC addresses, IP addresses, broadcast addresses, and so on. If I show you my current MAC address and permanent MAC address, the command is MAC Changer -s Ethernet 0. This command will show me the MAC address and permanent MAC address of Ethernet 0. The next command is to set fully random MAC address of Ethernet 0. The command is sudo MAC Changer -r Ethernet 0. This command will set fully random MAC address of Ethernet 0. You can see that the current MAC address and permanent MAC address is different, and the new MAC address is 4A:72. Command is to set the custom MAC address of Ethernet 0. The command is sudo MAC Changer -m 00:11:23:24:55:66 Ethernet 0. This command will set our custom MAC address of Ethernet 0. You can see that the new MAC address is 00:11:23. Command is to reset to the original MAC address. The command is sudo make changer -p Ethernet 0. This command will reset the MAC address to the original one. If you want to change only the serial bits, not the vendor bits, the command is sudo make changer -e Ethernet 0. This command will change only the serial bits of the MAC address, not the vendor bits. Again, I use the sudo make changer -p Ethernet 0 to reset to the original MAC address of my Ethernet 0. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.